Good morning, afternoon, evening to everyone. I hope we're alive. Let me check. Yes, we are. Welcome everyone to another GitLab Hackathon. I'm really excited about this one specifically. And let's get things started. First of all, hi, my name is Christos Baharakis. I'm the Senior Content Contributor Program Manager, and I'll be your host for this 2 days. Let me quickly start my screen. So here at GitLab, our motto is everyone can contribute. That's why we're also making this hackathon and trying to make it as an opportunity for everyone to contribute, and it's easier as it can get. Again, I'm Christos. I live in Berlin, originally Greek. So hello, if you speak any Greek out there. This is today's agenda. I would like to spend a fair amount of time in the community code of conduct. It's really important. We want here at GitLab everyone to feel safe, included, and be able to communicate and in a safe environment here at GitLab. So it's really important for us to enforce the code of conduct. In case that you see any disrespectful behaviors, any disturbing behaviors, any offensive behaviors in a merge request or an issue or in the communication channels, please send us an email and we will respond as soon as possible. We're generally monitoring all of our channels. So yeah, we'll try to be there all the time for everyone. So again, our hackathon at a glance, 2 days. It's an online event hackathon for all of contributors. We have some really exciting prizes, which we're gonna dive more in later slides. It started already, and it starts on the 31st of March at your local time zone and finishes on Thursday at April 1st on your local time zone. It's really important to keep that in mind. But we made it in UTC, so it's like 9 UTC for just to have a reference. All right, we have spent, before diving into the suggested issues to work on, because I want to spend a lot of time there. Here is the rundown of our sessions. This time we're gonna keep it as simple as possible. We want to run mainly office hours calls to be able to support you all. So we're gonna have 2 office hours today. One is the runner office hour, the other one is gonna be the package group office hour. So if you want to contribute to runner or the package group, please feel free to join the sessions. Our maintainers, they're gonna spend some time going through some of MRs, how they review them, and also gonna be there to help and address any questions you might have. At any given time, you can reach out to us on our Gitter instance. It's gitter.im/gitlab/contributors. If you need anything, you can ping me directly, but also if you need help, you can join there. All of our community and GitLab team members are there to help you and support you. For any merge request, generally, we're keeping an eye on merge requests today. Every merge request that you open as a community, it's gonna automatically be tagged as hackathon, but feel free to ping me as well in order to make sure that your MR is gonna be counted towards the prizes. Everyone with merge request is gonna receive a prize, and the users, the contributors with a high amount of MRs are going to receive a grand prize. Last hackathon, we had 2 actually, people claiming the grand prize. And we're going to have also second place winners with some prizes. Our prizes are here. The first one is a hackathon special swag box. It's a mystery, but that's all exciting. The second place prize is a duffel bag, GitLab socks, a charging multi-port cable, and a collapsible straw. And for every merge request that everyone is merged, we have a GitLab socks and a charging multi-port cable. So let me quickly go through some of the ways to contribute to GitLab. So if it's your first time contributing to GitLab, please check the contributing to guide GitLab here. There are some areas for the hackathon, specifically only development and documentations are counted as contributions towards the hackathon. So in the development specific category, there is a list of the top 10 GitLab projects to contribute. There are top 10 based on the people contributing to them. So we went ahead and analyzed all of our projects and saw that these 10 projects are receiving the most community contributions. So for each project, you can see the language technologies needed. So you can figure out a project to contribute to based on your skills. So if you have some HTML skills, there's GitLab Omnibus, there is GitLab UI, there is GitLab Development Kit, so you can find issues there. On this column, you can find all the development guides for each project, because each project has, in some cases, the project has different development guide than the general GitLab one. So detailed instructions for how to set up your development environment exist there. And on the last column, you can find a link to issues that are, let's say, tailored to the community, I'll say. For example, if I click on the UI policy and accepting merge request, you're gonna take me to GitLab, and you're gonna apply the filters needed for issues that are accepting merge requests have been fleshed out for the community. So we have 314 issues. You can also filter them based on weight. Weight is how important they are right now for GitLab. But yeah, you should select a issue to work on based on what, based on your skills and your experience. If you want to work on something, it's also going to be great to leave a comment and say, hey, I would like to work on that. Hey, I am working on that as part of the GitLab hackathon. So you let everyone know that you're working on that, and no one else is going to go there and start working at the same time. So you both deliver a merge request. And that's it. And then you just work on that. And when you submit a merge request, make sure that you also link the issue here. Pretty easy, pretty straightforward. Also, you can check for the label good for new contributors if you want, but the general best practice is to go straight from this table, click here, and find something to work on. Moving on, for setting up your development environment, there is a new tool that is called Gitbot. If you click here, you can find the guide. It's really, really, really simple and straightforward. It's as simple as clicking one button. For example, if I go, these are the instructions, just like you see the button here. If you go to, when you enable Gitbot and when you go to the GitLab repository, there's going to be a button here, Gitbot, and it automatically builds a development environment on the cloud, on your browser, on your browser tab, and you don't have to download anything. You don't have to set up anything. It just works out of the box. So check it out. It's making it easier for everyone to contribute. Now, if you want to work on the website, on the GitLab website, let's go to the hackathon page, for example. So, and I want to check something. For example, I want to fix that. The event is in progress, has been completed. The has been completed here is something that, it's confusing, right? So, by the way, we have 65 MRs already submitted. That's great. If you go down here on the end, you're gonna say view page source and edit with web ID. If I click here, it's gonna take me to the web ID where I can edit the website and change stuff around and submit a merge request without downloading anything. Again, pretty cool, huh? Okay, as far as I remember, this counter, this message is somewhere else. here. The event has been completed. It's in a JavaScript file. It's not here. Blue, 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 blue. Okay. So I guess we will need to find, yeah, here, the next hackathon countdown. This one is somewhere, let's see. Well, I don't want to spend all of the time here fixing that, but I need to fix it. I will fix it after this call. But generally, this web ID, you can change something. Let's say that help you get you started. Let's change that to started. And I can click commit here, and I can put a message update wording. Of course, create a new branch, all right, because I cannot commit straight to master. And then you can see the changes here. You can preview the changes, what's changed. And I click commit, and automatically it's gonna forward me to opening a merge request with this branch. And that's it. It's really easy to contribute to the website, just like that. Let's wait for 10 more seconds to see the result here. All right, here it is. It's opening a merge request. I can provide the consider title, update, let's say, Polish wording, cool. And then, yes, I have provided description. This is a demo. This is a demo change for the purpose of the hackathon. That's it. And that's it. And then I'm submitting it, create merge request. And now I'm waiting for that to be triaged. That's simple. Again, if you need any help, you're gonna find us at Gitter, in our Gitter channel. If you need any help with coaching, you can find, you can mention the GitLab coaches on your merge request. But generally, I'm gonna spend all of my day today and tomorrow going through all of the MRs and make sure that the right people were assigned. So they're gonna be reviewed as soon as possible. Again, any merge requests that happen from the 31st of March at your local time zone until the end of day 1st of March at your local time zone and are merged until end of April, they're going to be counted towards the prices. All right, I know that the time zone thing might be confusing, but because we have contributors from around the world, we need to make it tailored to everyone's time zone and not have one specific time during the day. Because if we say, for example, that the hackathon takes place from midnight UTC of Wednesday until midnight UTC Friday, then it might be better for people in the East because they have more free time, and where the people from the West, they don't. In any case, don't worry about it. Again, if you need any help, join us into the Gitbot channel, and looking forward seeing your MRs. Have a lovely day, rest of the day, and happy hacking. Bye, y'all.